Hi, want to know how to change app icons on your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to open our Google Play Store and here find out some icon changer. It doesn't matter which one you'll choose because they work the same. So, I have chosen this one first in the list from developer MBMX and downloaded it. So, now we would need to click open and here in the app list, we would need to choose the application that we would like to change icon of. So, for example, I'll pick calculator. Now, as a next step, here you can see some simple icons that you can choose for your app, but here we can also add photos. So for example, if we will click on this button, which is saying photo, and then click on this image, we would be able to choose a photo from our gallery to put it as an icon for our app. So for example, I'll choose this flower right here, and now we can edit the photo, we can change it, we can zoom it out or zoom it in. So for example, I'll do it like this and then click this confirmation icon at the right upper corner. Now as a next step, you can see the preview of the application and here you can also change the name of app, but I'll leave it as a calculator. Now we would need to click this OK button in the right upper corner and wait until our new icon will be ready. This also may be required to watch an ad because this application is free and for that you would need to watch an ad. So let's wait this 3 seconds and then close it. So here, skip video, cross, and now when you can see this pop-up message which is saying icon changer, we would need to click on this button add to home screen. And this is it. We have successfully created our new app which has its custom icon, and by clicking on it we will get right to the calculator. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.